saying it's an odd picture. So I have to be here.
Alright, thank you guys. You'll get more chances of taking photographs. A lot more. Thank you, Pariti. Thank you for gracing with us today. And you are looking gorgeous.
Then standing.
You're an angel too.
No. How nice. It's nice to, I like wearing white actually. So I'm glad that the color of Pantene is white. But thank you really, jokes apart, thank you very much to all those who came here. I hope we have fun today, and whatever you will ask, I will answer.
Thank you for making that clear. Don't get naughty, guys. Alright, so Parinidhi, obviously you're here and we're all happy, but you've been dominating the news recently with your various roles that you've done. We watched you in Hasi To Fasi and we absolutely love that crazy role of yours. And also now Daawat Ish is coming, so best of luck for that. So we hear that you have been a Pantene loyalist, yeah? And you recently. So we want you to please share your association with the brand.
So my association with not only Pantene but P&G as a family back a long way. And when I had the first conversation with them, when they offered me the brand ambassador, it was a very special moment for me because 4 years ago I never thought that the product that I was selling I would be selling in another light. My association, of course, is also an emotional one. But Pantene in particular is something that has been part of my life before I started using it. My mom used to use it, and then when I was offered to be a brand ambassador, I told them, you know what, my simple rule is I always use the product and then decide whether or not I want to endorse it. So I actually told them, listen, just give me a few bottles of Pantene, let me try it and then I'll get back to you. And I used it for 2 weeks, and I swear to God, I felt so much at ease because we use so much of hair product in our hair every day. It was very cool. So I was like, okay, this is a product that I can honestly sell on TV. So come on, let's get on board. So I feel very good that I'm part of this family.
Thank you so much. We also hear that you have tried various hairstyles in a lot of movies, and you were very skeptical about, very fearful of hair getting damaged. So finally you found a product that you can use.
Yeah, in films, I think your look is very important. Hair, of course, being a major part of it. Before I came to India, I used to feel very scared. I used to feel, even if I blow dry my hair, my hair's conditioner is bad for my hair. Please somebody explain that science to me, So I think that confidence comes when you know you're gonna have something that is gonna save your hair. So now the amount of styling, blow drying, straightening, tonging, whatever we do for our films, I really do it fearlessly, honestly. And it's only because I have a great product that I can go to.
Thank you, Parinidhi. Well, congratulations on that. So Parinidhi, well, as you know, Pantene has been claiming that it guarantees 3 months of split-end protection. I know you can prove that.
It's happened in my life only. Even if I was not the brand ambassador, I used to have split ends, and now mere split end free baal dekho aap sab. It's true, honestly. The one thing that I really appreciate about Pantene is, they never claim to magically repair your hair. They always promise to protect you, which is a great thing. I think many products say, oh, you're going to wash your hair once with so-and-so shampoo and just see in the evening what happens, as if it's some magical product. But I think Pantene is very true to what it is. No, we are not selling a magical product, but we are selling a product that's going to protect you, and that's what we say in every TV scene. So honestly, I think also as a company, P&G really goes by its principles and really shows them in their products. So you guys also, at the end of today, please go to the market and go and buy one and only.
So, Parinidhi, we're going to do the needle test.
Yes.
And here we go. Here's a
La, la,
demo.
la. So I think we should explain the needle test also to them. You want to do it? No? Okay, so I just like to tell you the new TVC that I shot for. It has a very simple thing of a needle test where, especially hair like mine, which is very fine, when we have split ends, we cannot make our hair just past the eye of the needle. And now we claim when you use Pantene, and it is proven in my life also, that my hair also can pass the needle's eye, which is so fine. So of course we're going to
Says that you can try it at home. I don't think brand actually says please try this at home. Okay, friends. Well, thank you, Banti. Thank you, Colleen, for being such a sport. And also be here. Friend Dalia Bhatt keeps says it to the media every time that Pariniti has the most beautiful hair. So we know why now.
No, it's very sweet to say that, and it's a mutual admiration club, I think, because I love her hair. Yeah. I really do. She has such long hair, and I don't have long hair right now. I've cut it for a film, and when you have short hair, you crave long hair. So I love her hair. I also Jacqueline's hair, but I have to say, I love Dimple Kapadia's hair very much. Favorites. Yeah.
So 3, that's it?
3 favorites for now. है विनोद तुम स्टेज पे ही आ जाओ भाई तुम इधर ही आ जाओ obviously मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है बॉस please don't waste my time he's saying विनोद कौन आने वाला है विनोद तुम्हारा क्या है आज क्या है दिन खराब है तुम्हारा क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे
Well, okay. looks like you found a new guys. Okay, thank you.
तुम पैंटीन यूज करते हो कि नहीं मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्यों अभी मैं तुम्हें फोटो नहीं
Pariniti has gift a Pantene to me.
so of course
Okay.
no he has to buy it no I'm not gifting he has to buy it
Thank you, Pariniti. Thank you, Colleen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have a little Q&A, one on one. First, we'll go for the photo op.
Yeah.
We'll also be placing a table here. here, so you can keep all your rooms out here and be placed right there.
अरे वो परिणीति
क्या
ने बोला
पूछने
है।
वाले थे?
फीमेल एक्टर का तो नाम लिया आपने।
एक
मेल
मिनट।
एक्टर
So one second. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Okay. Yes.
फीमेल एक्टर का तो नाम लिया आपने। कोई ऐसे मेल एक्टर जिनके बाल अच्छे लगे?
मेल एक्टर्स जिनको मुझे शाहरुख खान, I love his hair. Hrithik, love his hair. Yeah, I think. Sorry. यार तुम लोग
तो आप चाहेंगे आज या जब भी टाइम मिला आपको फ्री होंगी तो पेंटिंग ले जाकर उन्हें
क्या?
अच्छे लगेंगे।
कल तुम लिखोगे परी जा रही है शैम्पू गिफ्ट करने।
अगर बोलेंगी तो हम लिख देंगे।
I think okay. Okay, done.
ओके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फिल्में हम आपको देखते हैं, कभी शादी तो कभी दावत इश्क, बट डिफरेंट हेयर स्टाइल में कभी नहीं दिखाई दे पाती हैं चौक ऐसा।
शायद आपने वो पिक्चरें देखी नहीं है लेकिन हंसी तो बसी अगर आपने देखी है तो उसमें मेरे बॉय कट था और उसके बाद से अप्रोक्सीमेटली ऐसे बाल थे और दावतेश में मेरे कुछ इतने लंबे बाल हैं, इसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती। इतने बाल और इतने बाल के बीच में जितना है इतना ही मैं कर पाई। अगली बार मैं लाल रंग के बाल रखूंगी आपके लिए।
Parineeti, Abhishek. Parineeti.
Hello, how are you?
All good.
हाँ.
Parineeti, just the way you mentioned that had not lost job in Procter & Gamble because of the recession, then do you think you would have been an actress or you would have probably been like a marketing personnel out there and could have never pursued it?
No, I keep saying this that if it wasn't for the recession, I would, let alone acting, I would have never come back to India. I want to I have gone there because of that. And recession नहीं होता तो मैं भी बैंक में काम कर रही होगी. Not in marketing at all. I wanted to be an investment banker. I'm a banker by profession, by qualification. What am I saying? By qualification. So I would have never come back here.
Hi, Parineeti.
Sorry, just 2 minutes. I can't hear also. Ji.
Just continuing with the previous question, actually you said that experimenting with hair. In case if you are getting a very good role, the hair will have to go hard actually. So would you be
100%. What are you saying? 100%. For me, I don't think like that. If I believe in the script, so whatever he's saying, I will be. He didn't have to think, "Arey, I will have to do prosthetic makeup." It went with the role, so then you don't differentiate between these things. I mean, at least I think like that. I would not do it because there is some drastic step that I have to take.
you
Not
have
one.
to shave your hair I mean within real age. That would be a very daring event. Like, that's what
No, not really. But if powerful that to me as an actor, I would not even think about it. बाल उग जाएंगे यार वापस क्या है 6 महीने आ जाएंगे वापस.
Pariniti here. I'm good. Hope the same for you. So I wanted to just complimented Alia Bhatt's hair, and we just saw that her video has gone viral. Which again, you're playing the sport as much as she did. So can you tell us a little about the interaction back then?
In that video, we are not friends. The role is that I'm a competitor. I'm this bitchy actress who doesn't like Alia and all. That was the fun of it, and it was so much fun because all those people who were involved, Alia, me, Arjun, Karan, and Shakun, who's directed. Also AIB now have become friends. Tanmay, Rohan, etc. We're all like a bunch of friends, and they thought doing this video, and they're all decided. And in fact, I think they only thought of me to that part. And in fact, they thought I would probably say no, because I think most actors would say no, that I don't want to be part of a video which is actually about Alia. But when they told me, I laughed so much. I was like, of course I'm doing it. And we weren't able to find time, and we did it in the middle of the night. But that's what I'm saying. If you're convinced that you have to do something, you don't have to really think about it. I think the great thing is, the only risk was that people wouldn't take it in the right way. People might think I'm actually bitchy, or people might think that Alia is actually being so dumb. But the point of the video was to do it in jest. And I'm glad that you understood it for the intention that it was made for, and I'm glad nobody's misunderstood the video. That's the thing that's happened.
Hi, Pariniti.
Hi, ma'am.
आपने जब अपनी लाइफ में शैम्पू कितनी कंपनी के यूज किए?
I think जब मुझे नॉलेज नहीं थी, तो जो भी सबसे सस्ता होता था वो मैं खरीद लेती, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. लेकिन आई थिंक आप भी रियलाइज करते हैं कि यार पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट जो आपको सूट करता है वो करना चाहिए. Ambassador, because actually my mom did it, and then I happened to also get offered to be the yeah. So now I use only one, because now I know it suits my hair. But otherwise I've used before I knew what was good for me.
पेंट आपको चूज किया, इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
Sorry.
पेंटिंग के लिए आपको चूज किया या मानते हो?
This is the end. This is the end of my life. Sorry. Great again. बिल्कुल correct. हाँ. Pantene ने
आपको चूज किया,
हाँ.
तो इसका रीजन आप क्या मानते हो?
क्यों किया है भाई, बताओ. They love my hair. Yeah, it's so funny. There one company, and see, also because I used to work at PNG, so I know how they work. पीछे से वो लोग कैसे चूज करते हैं लोग. But honestly, अगर वो मुझसे मिले और उनको लगता कि नहीं इसके बालों का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, they wouldn't have signed me on. They really want to believe no hair extensions. They don't do any color pigmentation to make it look brighter. Nothing. They do no fake tricks, which many people do. Which I think so cool of them, I could easily say, no, listen, I only wear long hair extensions to make hair look long, or wear a long wig. Nothing. What you see in the ad is 100 real. The way they've shot it, it's amazing. They always, in fact, sometimes you have to fight. Sometimes you say, I'm not looking good in this shot, but they say, no, but it's the real shot, so we want to use it. So I think that they've chosen me for some honesty, compatibility that they must be finding. That's what I feel.
We'll take that as the last question. Thank you.
परिणीति you just said कि आपको बहुत पसंद है ऋतिक और शाहरुख के बाद, तो मेरे ख्याल से ये कि आप इंस्टेंटली तुरंत पूछती होगी जरूर कौन सा शैम्पू यूज करते हो, तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ हमसे, आपने उनके सीक्रेट जानने की कोशिश, उनके बाल इतने अच्छे कैसे हैं, वो करते हैं?
नहीं, वो बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं, मैं उनसे
ऐसे नहीं आप बाल लगाना कुछ है यार,
लोगों से पूछ सकते, लेकिन जो आप ले रही हैं उनके सामने जाके ऐसी बातें नहीं करते, उनके सामने जाके you don't think so? I'm telling this is the truth. that नहीं, मैंने उनसे जाके शैम्पू नहीं पूछा, but अब आपने मुझे बोला है तो मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. मैं उनसे पूछूंगी.
Any ad where you try to experiment with your hair and you had a very horror experience? ऐसे कोई experience हुआ भी या was like maybe with any style or anything?
No, that's not really happened. बट मुझे डिस्टिंक्टली याद है कि होली के बाद मतलब 10 दिन तक बाल नॉर्मल नहीं होते थे. हमेशा लगता था कि बहुत कड़क है, बिकॉज हम लोग पक्का रंग यूज करते थे, हम लोग बहुत क्योंकि मैं अम्बाला से हूँ तो वहाँ पे बहुत पक्की होली खेली जाती है. So that's all I remember. Otherwise, अभी तक it's not gone wrong. Yeah, because also we work with experts. जिन लोगों को मतलब ये लोग सालों से ही कर रहे हैं तो वो लोग पहले ये सोचते हैं कि हमारे बाल खराब नहीं होने चाहिए. अभी तक ऐसा नहीं.
परिणीति, ये
Yes.
कभी आपने सोचा है ये
We'll have that as the last question. Huh?
Yes,
That's- Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you.
ये जो बॉटल पर स्टार होते हैं लाइक डैमेज प्रोटेक्शन, देन उसके बाद छोटा सा स्टार है, इसका मतलब क्या? कभी आपने जानने की कोशिश की है?
कहाँ है
बॉटल के
ये?
ऊपर देखिए
ये
okay.
हाँ terms and conditions, right?
Yeah,
Is it terms and conditions?
Actually, that's not terms and conditions. That's actually saying where this research has
नहीं, मैं उनसे जानना चाहता हूँ कभी उन्होंने पूछा, सोचा, समझा इसके बारे में?
हाँ, तो बॉटल की रिसर्च करने के बाद जो मैं रोज करती हूँ 3 घंटे, मुझे पता है आंसर. You not said this, this is my answer. So स्टार का मतलब ये होता है. नहीं, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. Normally मैं PNG पे काम करती थी तो पैकेजिंग was also part of my and normally a star is terms and conditions apply as part of any legal contract. You know that if they say अरे 3 दिन में ये होगा, they'll always put a star saying 4 दिन भी हो सकते हैं, 3 दिन का 3 दिन मत बोलो. This in particular because they are claiming, it's a claim. I think you have to give a clause where you say that you know these are that may. She's saying that this is where the research has come from. That is the source of research. इतना मत सोचो.
Well. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pariniti, for
Thanks,
giving
thanks,
us
thank
your time, supporting us
Thank
on
you
this.
so much.
Ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen,
guys.
once
Thank
again
you.
for Pariniti, can we have a round of applause?